What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs as Zabs DIY, bringing you another episode on this Nissan Micra K12. The issue we're having with this Nissan Micra K12 today is the heaters are not working. So if I put the ignition on and I go turn the heating on, as you can see, nothing is working. If it was the heater resistor, if I put in speed 1, 2 or 3 or 4, one of the speed the fan should kick in. However, the fan is not kicking in on any of the speeds, so I can only assume for now that the heater blower. We're going to go ahead and show you how to replace your heater blower. So the tools that you need to remove your heater blower are you got 10mm socket to remove your negative battery, you have a plastic trim remover tool, you want to get a T20, and you want to get a Phillips screwdriver or a Phillips bit on a wrench like this. Go ahead and remove the negative terminal off your battery. And again, so one clip over there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It slides towards you, so you lift it up and you just pull it to yourself as so. Just be careful with this. Okay, and there you go. So if I turn it this way now, so you've got clips over here, you've got the air vent, and so this is where, see that there, one there, and that there. So that is what is kind of hooked onto, you slide it out. So now that we removed the pillars and we removed half of the dash from the top, if I come to the back over here, so see this wire over here is the wire for your heater fan blower, and it is just over there in the bottom over there. Now to access that, we do need to remove this air vent away. Now a lot of people do cut it in the middle because you haven't got enough room to get the heater box or heater blower out of this area here because this vent comes in the way. So what you can do, you can either cut it, but I'm not going to cut it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it out this slot over here, and I'm going to bend it. So I'm going to be a bit brutal with this vent. I'm going to bend it from here, and it'll just come, and I'm going to place it here. So it's kind of giving me that enough room to access the heater blower. Your choice. You can either remove the complete dash, do it officially how you should be doing it properly, and then start removing everything one by one to get to that vent and then get the heater blower out. However, I'm going to take a shortcut, which is not advisable. Again, watch out if you are going to cut it. There's a lot of wires, be careful. I'm going to remove this out of this place, slot it out and bend it, get myself enough room, and then I'm going to go for the heater blower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it out like this. Now it's seat free like that. So again, I'm going to be a bit brutal here, so please mind me. There you go. Okay, just to show you the plug of that heater blower, just going to come outside and clear that screen. So you see that plug there, and as you see, you've got a black safety pin around it to secure the plug. There's a clip just down there. You're going to press that clip like this and pull that security pin or the tab away from the plug, and the plug should come off. This is what I'm talking about, this bit over here. So it's a bit difficult to get hold of, but if I can show you, probably not, but let's see if I can do it from this side. As you can see from here, mind the camera, but there you go, and then that should really come off there. So it is tab this and pull it out, and it kind of slides up like this. Now, to make sure it is our heater blower that is obviously not working rather than the resistor, I'm going to get the new heater blower and I'm going to connect it with this plug here first. I'll connect the battery back up, start the car and see if our heating is working. If however it's not working, then obviously it's your resistor. So that slides into like this, so there, and this goes there like that. So now, because we got the heater blower there, go ahead and connect your battery. So let me connect my battery now. So I'm connecting my battery. I'm going to start my car and I'm going to put my fan on, and look at that. So that's off, that's on. Number 2, number 3. Oh yes! So look at that power. So if I give it from far distance, so 1, AC off, 2, 3. Whoa! Power! So now we can go ahead, switch our car off, disconnect our battery, remove the wire or the cable or connector away from the heater blower, and put the heater blower, or remove the other heater blower, put this back and get the vent back in. So if I show you again how you would disconnect this wire, so press the tab over here, pull it up, and slides out like this. So when it's down there, press the tab, pull it up and slide it out. So that's how you remove your cable or your plug from your heater blower below. If I just give you a little overview of how to remove your heater blower from below the dash. So you got this tab over here and it's locked in. So what you're going to do, you're going to press down on the tab clockwise so it slides off, and then this will just come out, and then obviously you haven't got enough room, so you have to kind of wiggle it out from the dash. Now if I show you this bit here, it's flexible, so you might have to press on that and take the heater blower out from the top. Now I may not be able to show you that how I'm taking it off, but I'll try my best. And then obviously I've kind of given you an overview how to clockwise to unlock it. So clockwise to unlock it, slides out and then up, and obviously like I said, you have to wiggle it, you might have to turn it, press on this and then lift it up. But let me see if I can show you. Okay, so heater blower is here. So I'm going to show you from this side. Look. There. So kind of pushed it off. So this is the trick. You see how much we barely got any room to take this out now. So we're going to manhandle this a bit, be a bit brutal with it. There you go. So ours was already broken from this side of here and this side of here, hence why it was not working. So it's probably getting stuck, and the motor obviously, I don't know what happened there, but oh. And so yeah, we can see why ours wasn't working. Sort of snapped off, to be honest with you. So I mean, why would it work? So yeah, look at that. So in fact, what I might do is seen better days. So yeah, now we can put, I mean, look at that as well. So, and no, it didn't break when I was taking off. This was already broken, hence why it wasn't working. So now we can put the other one back in. If I compare this with the old one, so that's how it should be. And see the white bit there, where this one was kind of broke anyway. So yep, let's put that back in and see how it goes. Same theory, gonna slide it in like this. See if I can do it this way actually. So yeah, very tight place this is. So we finally got this in there now. Here you have it. So we got the air vent back in, nice and snug, and we also got the fan blower in and plugged in. So now we can go ahead and we can start putting the dash back in and the pillars back in. I'm going to put the driver side in first. Clips in, clip down. This time it'll sit better than before. You got the A pillars to go on. Again, just clips in like this. Get that rubber strip around the rub on the pillar. And it clips in like this. Then we've got the passenger side. Okay, again, get your plastic trim remover. Just get there. Rub it out like this. There you go. That's how you replace your heater, blower, fan. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.